Welcome to the Regio1st Planning Framework tutorial series. I'm George and I'm going to present you the National and Regional Targets Comparison Template. This is an Excel-based tool designed to assist users in overviewing and mapping the EU national, regional, and local energy and climate targets with focus on energy efficiency. Given that the planners have to propose targets and the decision makers have to decide which targets are suitable for their region, this template adopts a multi-level approach on mapping and comparing the energy and climate targets that facilitates the decision-making process. The National and Regional Targets Mapping Template is a comprehensive tool specifically designed for regional authorities involved in energy and climate planning. It provides a structured framework for comparing regional energy targets with those set by the European Union, national and local strategies, directives and laws. By offering an analytical template, this tool guides users through the process of mapping all relevant targets across various governance levels. This detailed mapping allows users to identify deviations between regional targets and those expected at higher governance levels, ensuring that regional plans align with broader objectives. The added value of the National and Regional Targets Mapping Template lies in its ability to simplify the complex task of aligning regional energy and climate targets with other level objectives. By providing a clear, structured, and comparative approach, this tool facilitates the identification of gaps and areas for improvement. It supports decision makers in developing coherent and ambitious regional plans that are consistent with local, national, and EU goals. This not only enhances the strategic planning process, but also ensures that the regional targets contribute effectively to overarching energy and climate ambitions. It is also important to mention that this tool is designed for the third stage of the planning process. The tool includes 3 tabs. The EU Targets tab gathers all relevant EU strategies, directives, and laws related to energy efficiency and climate objectives. It serves as a reference point, ensuring that regional planners are aware of the overarching EU targets they need to align with. The Regional and Other Targets tab allows users to input and organize national, regional, and local plans and targets. Planners can systematically map and compare these targets, identifying key objectives and implementation levels. Finally, the Example tab provides a pre-filled template demonstrating how to effectively use the tool for mapping and comparison. It serves as a practical guide, helping users understand the process and apply it to the specific context. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the National and Regional Targets Comparison Template. For more information and resources, visit our website and explore the other tools available in the Regio1st Planning Framework.